back toward our place back there. Because I believe. I video you. Oh, is it down here? Oh, this is gonna be slick. Yeah, video. What? Yeah, I can. Huh? No, I got it on video here. No, it is. It's really neat looking in the front there. Facebook my video? Okay. Throw it up on YouTube or something? Oh.
I can actually video more messages to people.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. Alright, well, not that this is like super interesting anyway, unless I like slip and fall. Yeah. Anyway. So hopefully my flight isn't canceled again tomorrow. But the way everything is covered in snow.
You could have left out a box this morning with all the questions that the store was happening with
Oh. Well, yeah, no, I mean, but like my flight was actually canceled last night. It was completely canceled because the connecting flight coming in didn't land.
Oh.
Yeah. Like the plane I was supposed to get on didn't land. Because it was like the first plane this morning or whatever. 6 a.m. Anyway, I'll take some more later.